Hi everyone, Gabriel from Jerusalem here. You must be asking yourself, why this excitement? Why look where we are, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And why we are here? We are going to have a very good opportunity to use our ZEB Horizon in one of the most beautiful places of the world. We are going to fly that in a drone, we are going to make some scans, and also we are going to scan inside the crystal, because one of the points here is to make some analysis of all the structure of the crystal. Okay, so please stay with us and check this out. One of the methods we are using to scan here today is putting our ZEB Horizon in a new UAV. And today it's a good day to fly in one of the 7 wonders of the world. So let's fly. So we are about to fly here, guys. Here it's a very difficult environment. Why? We have the wind, sometimes we cannot see the drone, we are very close to the crest, but this is one of the good points of our equipment. No matter how difficult is your environment, no matter where you are, we can scan and we can get good results with our Horizon, flying a drone or in a handheld. So check this out, we are about to fly, let's see. Hey guys, so one of the points we are looking to scan here is inside the crystal regime. Why? Because the people here are looking to make some choices and they are looking to make some analysis on the structure of the crest. So we are going to scan inside the crest now. Check it out. I'm checking the data here in the Jerusalem hub just to make sure the data is 100% okay. And as I can see here, there's no drift, no shaft, and nothing on my point cloud, no shadows also. So I am leaving the site with 100% sure it's everything okay. This is another very good point of our versatility and our equipment.